Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I will showing how to find Duolingo promo code in 2024. So let's say what is the month, it's April, and so we search Duolingo April promo code. Now click first link, and which is simplecode.com, and over here you can see you can already see coupon code that's working. So which are not is April Fools 2024. You can just use this code and copying from here, and you can go to Duolingo and over here put code and boom, redeem code. You can show other code. You head on to different website and try see they have any. So just guys click to get code from here, and as you can see just copy new code. And for today this video, I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave like, subscribe to my channel for more content guys, and thanks for watching again. See you on another video soon guys. Share this video our friends.